I said this at the beginning, I've said it every night. If I can assume or presume that there is even an inkling that you think that you're a legal name, I still own your soul. You got to purge this and understand it very clearly. You got to get this right. You don't send paper anywhere. This is for you. The answers are within. So you get this shit sorted out and the rest falls into place. I promise you. You must separate yourself from that legal name, any assumption or presumption. This is why I have so many documents looking at all of the different ways that you could be assumed or presumed, or someone that you have a contract with, like a spouse or a family member, like a child, or just immediate that is still part of the system. The I who should not be legally named was the concept for that was to separate yourself from all of these previous contracts. And I'm talking, exes and anyone that you were married to or married to. You got to bust all of these contracts. Otherwise, system can come to them and ask them, is that so-and-so? And if they say yes, well, that's contract. Because they've got a witness to say that they believe you to be that legal name. Right? So this trap was set so perfectly. But I've spent so much time looking for all of the ways that we could be grabbed. Again, it had to be with a fine-tooth comb. But I wasn't looking at it from the physical or legal or lawful sense. I was looking at it strictly from every thought is contract. Every agreement I've went into is contract. What do I need to do to remove any and all assumption, presumption of anything or anyone outside of me creating an assumption, presumption that I am or was that legal name? And if you want proof of that, just go to March 14th. You can look it up on Lightworkers Media. Thank you, Giuseppe, for all the work you do tirelessly. March 14th, I might be March 15th. But anyway, just go to Lightworkers Media's channel or just go to YouTube, and he's got it up as the Kate of Gaia, The Confrontation, where I ran 3 armed Goonies off from the comfort of doing a radio show live on air in my car while I watched them spin out all around me, knowing full well that they could not touch me. And by the way, those people that are driving around with expired plates, that's one of the reasons why you will not even get pulled over now, because the plates are already dead. They have no jurisdiction. That's been removed. And I've been hearing more and more stories of people. I shared one, I think, yesterday. Excuse me, expired tags, cops pulling up behind them and whatever, and then they have to pull away because there is no jurisdiction. See, that's the thing. If it's a dead plate, there's no reason to pull anybody over. Only because the individual that's driving around in that car knows who they are. And that is where you're playing it on the spiritual level. And whether these automatonic robots driving around in the cars or, wearing their funny costumes, cop things and all the rest of it, whether they're aware of it in the physical is irrelevant to me, because I don't play there. What is relevant is the fact that this is in the consciousness, and their masters know this, and these automatonic robots are under full, complete mind control by contract. They swore an oath to a dead crown. They swore an oath to a division or a regiment to rule the mind, or precinct. I love those. You've already been sank. Precinct. I love it.